Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Leap of Faith trophy in Arkham Knight. This achievement requires you to perform 8 distinct jumps with the Batmobile, each covering a distance of over 100 meters. It's a fun challenge that utilizes the Batmobile's capabilities across Gotham City. We'll guide you through the process, offering tips to ensure your jumps count towards this exciting trophy. To maximize your jump distance, first ensure your Batmobile's afterburner is fully upgraded. This will provide the necessary boost for those long leaps. When approaching a ramp, accelerate to your top speed. Crucially, engage your afterburner just as you hit the ramp. This technique is vital for achieving the required 100-meter distance for each of your 8 jumps. Gotham City is filled with various ramps and natural inclines perfect for these jumps. You'll find them across all islands. While there isn't a specific marker for trophy jumps, many are obvious. Some players find it helpful to place custom waypoints to estimate a 100-meter distance. Remember, you need 8 different jumps, so explore the city thoroughly to find new locations. The game tracks your progress for the Leap of Faith trophy, though it can sometimes be a bit inconsistent. If you're on Xbox, the achievement tracker can help monitor your progress. If a jump you thought was over 100 meters doesn't register, don't worry. Simply move on to another ramp. Avoid touching any objects in midair, as this can invalidate the jump. Keep trying and you'll earn it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.